Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your kitchen experience a whole lot easier, the Etekcity 0.1g Food Kitchen Scale. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this kitchen scale has to offer. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a digital scale designed specifically for weighing food and ingredients. Whether you're dieting, baking, cooking, or preparing meals, this scale is an essential tool for anyone looking to manage their portions and improve their culinary results. One of the standout features of this scale is its high precision. It offers a minimum measurement of just 1 gram, and its upgraded sensors ensure you get instant and reliable readings. It's particularly impressive because it provides dual increments. For items weighing under 1,000 grams, you can measure in 0.1 gram increments, while for heavier items, you can switch to 1 gram increments up to 5,000 grams. This versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of cooking and baking tasks. Another practical feature is its unique bowl design. The scale includes a detachable bowl that can be flipped up and down for easy usage and storage. This means you can mix ingredients directly in the bowl, and when you're done, it takes up minimal space in your kitchen. You can also measure ingredients directly on the scale without the bowl, which is both convenient and space-saving. The Etekcity scale can weigh up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms and supports 5 different units of measurement: ounces, pounds, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters. It even allows you to switch between the densities of milk and water, which is great for those who need to be precise in their measurements, whether you're baking a cake or preparing a healthy meal. When it comes to readability, this scale doesn't disappoint. It features a large backlit display measuring 2.4 by 1.1 inches, which makes it easy to read your results, even in low-light conditions. No more squinting to see the numbers. Now, who is this scale suitable for? Essentially, it caters to a wide audience. If you're a home cook who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this scale is a must-have. It's also perfect for those who are on a weight loss journey, as it allows for precise portion control. If you're into baking, having accurate measurements is crucial for achieving the perfect results. Additionally, pet owners will find it useful for measuring out food for their dogs or cats, while hobbyists can use it for weighing items like jewelry or letters for postage. In practical terms, you can use this scale for everything from weighing out ingredients for a new recipe to portioning out pet food. Whether you're measuring large cuts of meat or a small batch of spices, this scale covers all your measuring needs. It's a great tool for meal prep, ensuring you have everything measured out ahead of time for a smoother cooking experience. Overall, the Etekcity 0.1g Food Kitchen Scale is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. Its precision, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to take their cooking or meal prep to the next level. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.